Om Sri Ganganpati Namaha. I pray Almighty God Ganesha, ancestral lords, the day lord, and salute to the teachers, motivators, guides. Welcome you to the Varun Astro and its presentation on numerology. Days auspiciousness as per numerology and basic concept of the numerology. On the eve of Independence Day, happy Independence Day to you all. Let us be united. Our Mera Desh Mahan. With this presentation is in English, and there are two parts in it. First part is learning some of the learning topics on basic numerology, and the second part is days auspiciousness as per numerology. The contents of the presentations have been taken from various books and journals which I have gone through, and images as well as sound, including the data pertaining to birth dates, have been taken from Google, and images have also been taken, images as well as sound has also been taken from Google. And this presentation is reaching to you through YouTube. So if you have not subscribed the channel till now, if you are viewing this for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get the notifications of the posts and take the advantage from it. So now I will take you to the presentation, but before I proceed, 2 seconds silence chanting for Ganesha, so that the presentation reaches to you uninterrupted. Silence prayer. Welcome you to the presentation on numerology. This is first part of the presentation, and this is basic concept of the numerology is that numbers in numerology is used in single digit only, and that too 1 to 9. Zeros are ignored, and because zeros signifies uncertainty, infinity. These 1 to 9 numbers are very important in our life because they are source of energies. Different type of source as per planets we are getting from these numbers. 5 number happens to be in the middle between 1 to 9, and because of this, it works as a balancing factor, balancing number for the numbers preceding to it and succeeding. Whenever there are more than, whenever we come across compound number consisting of more than one numbers or digit, all the numbers in that group of all that in that compound number are added together and converted into single. This is the basic concept of the numerology. Wherever there will be more than one number, all will be added together and converted into single. So, secondly, all the numbers 1 to 9 are ruled by a planet. And these planets are: one is ruled by Sun, second Moon, third Jupiter, fourth Rahu, fifth Mercury, sixth Venus, seventh Ketu, eighth Saturn, ninth Mars. And all these numbers are uniquely called true in the world of, in the kingdom of numbers. One is known as king or government, two is known as partner or diplomat, three is known as king advisor, four is known as rule breaker, highly diplomatic, five is known as prince or kumar, six is known as minister, comfort giving authority, seven is spiritual guru or intuitive person, eight is known as downtrodden people, servants, workers, judiciary, and nine, army, police, doctor. There are three types of numbers, two types of numbers which we come across in our life. First is date of birth. Sorry, first is static, other is dynamic. Static numbers are those which are gifted by God, and it remains static throughout the life and even after that. And that number is date of birth. For date of birth consists of date, month, and year. Date and month may consist of single or double digit, and year consists of two digits. So next is few numbers are derived from it. Whenever compound number are there, more than one digit, or even that single digit. So first is from the date, we derive prime number of the driver. From the date, month, and year, we derive conductor or life number. And from the year, we get angel number. And one more number is there, which I have not told you right up till now. That is attitude number. And this is the resultant effect of the birth date, and month. So we will discuss later on this, or tomorrow I will discuss on this issue. Let us take a birth date. For example, unique birthday has been taken 15th August 1947. This does not pertain to India only, but this pertains to personality. 15th August 1947 is the date of birth. So when we have added the 1 5, I mean date, it gives us 6, which is prime number and driver. When date, month, year, entire are added together, we get 8. So 15th August 1947. So driver is 6, conductor is 8. In practical life, drivers and conductor must have cordial relation. They must not be enemy to each other. This must be kept in mind. If it is there, the life is full of problems, hurdles. And that is the role of the numerologist to identify that whether this number is anti to it. Next number is which we draw from this is angel number. The numbers are 4-digit number of the year are added together, converted into single digit, For male, it is subtracted from 11, and for female, it is added to 4. So resultant effect for the native is 7. So native has got 1581947 6 35 6 8 and 7. So all these numbers are static numbers. These will not change. And this is gifted by God. Now the dynamic numbers are those which are created by us. And the first and foremost dynamic number is the name. You will be surprised about I'm telling name is dynamic number. So here is the crux of the numerology. Whenever word is coming across us or before us, all the word can be converted into numbers by replacing the alphabets used therein with their respective numerical value and added together. All the numbers are added together, converted into single. So in the case of name also, same methodology will be adopted. All the alphabets used therein in the name are converted into single digit into numbers by replacing the alphabets with their respective numerical values. And these are added together again, and this finally converted to single digit, and this gives us name number. Name number is the source of highest level of energy native gets because after birth, this is the first and foremost number native gets. And this is dynamic cum static because it remains throughout the life. So house number can be changed, vehicle number can be changed, even mobile numbers are changed, but name rarely changes. So numerologist or we, if you identify the driver and conductor are not compatible to each other, these numerical values are name number comes for the rest. So the name which I told you, name is the alphabets used in the name is replaced with their numerical values and added together. And this is relates to the data, above data relates to Madam Rakhi, actress. Congratulations, ma'am, and happy Independence Day. So this the things which has to keep in mind that the name number or the first letter of the name must not be anti to the driver or conductor. And whenever the driver and conductor are having inimical relations, name number should be compatible to both driver and conductor in order to balance driver and conductor as well as name number 2. Otherwise, there will be hurdles in the life. In this case, we will analyze very shortly. So here, one box is appeared before you, 3:3 box, in which numbers 1 to 9 are incorporated. This is the permanent place of the numbers. 9 boxes, 9 numbers. We in practical life or as a numerologist, we have to draw a blank box 3:3, and from the birth data, we will put place the numbers here in the box. Just I am doing for an example. First 1 is there, so 1 will be written here, 5 will be written here. Permanent place of the numbers will never change. We will simply write there. 8 we have taken, 1 again appearing, double 1 is there, 9 appearing, 4 appearing, 7 appearing. And finally, name number is given 6. Mobile number is not available. Our security region also not traced. And this is the impact of the number. So if you see here, the native from the above data, native 3 number and 2 number is missing. And if we see this chart will appear as this one, and the 7 number is also appearing from angel number. 7 number came from birth data, year, and 7 number from angel number. So this will be twice. This is the calculation sheet. So your name, the data will be appearing like this. Here also, one mistake has again been committed. Prime number is 6. So natives and name number is also 6. So natives, this number is appearing twice. So here 6 will be appearing. 6 will be appearing once more. So there are 2 6s. 2 6s, 2 1s, and 2 7. Thereafter, we will make the analysis of the empty boxes and filled in boxes. So natives east as well as west corner, east and southwest corner may have vastu doshas. And this may affect our health, family related issues, marriage and relations related issues, emotion related issues. Broadly speaking, health, planning, imagination, wisdom may be adversely affected. Marriage, love, relationship, sensitivity, intuition, emotions, etc. may be adversely affected. And he may not be getting the proper energy of Jupiter as well as Moon, because these two, 3 and 7 number, 3 and 2 numbers are missing. And the remedial measure for this is hardwood and earth metal, use of hardwood, wood and earth metal for this missing numbers. Now we will see what is the impact of the horizontal and vertical plane. So horizontal plane, intellectual, consists of intellectual, emotional, and practical plane. 492 is intellectual plane, 357 emotional plane, and practical plane is 816. So natives intellectual plane is given 66% result, emotional is 66%, and practical 100%, because in intellectual plane 2 number is missing and in emotional plane 3 number is missing. So one box is empty. In practical, all the boxes are filled in. Vertically speaking, thought plane is again 66%, willpower plane 100%, and axial plane is 66%. This number, thought plane is 438, again 3 is missing. Willpower plane 9511, All the boxes are filled in, and Excel plane 276. So this is also one box is empty. Golden Raj Yoga for the native is formed because 4, 5, 6, all three boxes are filled in. But Silver Raj Yoga is not formed because 2 is missing. In this way, this analysis is done. Now, earlier I had told that driver and conductor must be compatible to each, and name number should also. So you will like to know which number are friend to each number, neutral to which number, and enemy to each number. But because of time constraints, let us know only enemy first. So enemies of the numbers are 1 for 1, 8 number is the inimical, 2 for 2 prime number or driver or conductor 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 are the inimical number, 3, 6 are inimical number, prime number or driver or conductor 4, 8, 9, 4, 2 are inimical, 6, 3, 9, 7, 7, 9, 3, 8, 1, 2, 9, 4, 8, and 9, 6, 4, 2, 8, 9. So her name must not start with inimical number also. So in this case, the birth date is giving 6 prime number. For 6, 3 and 9 numbers are inimical numbers. And her name number must not start with CLS, which has not happened with the Rakhi madam. Because her name starts from R. So this is, it is always kept in mind that the first name, the first letter of the name must not be inimical to prime or driver or conductor. Now we will see miss effect of the missing number. These two numbers are missing, and the impact is the impact of the missing number is 2 number is missing. Native is lacking intuition. Consequently, native may make many mistakes by ignoring the still small quiet voice within. Native may have some impatience and unpunctual nature. Natives does not accept the mistakes, rather try to justify them. Such type of person who is having two missing should learn to achieve balances in their life. Next number which is missing for the native is 3. Lack of confidence, find it hard to express them. They are inclined to underestimate themselves and be overly self-effective. Native find it hard to think logically when faced with distraction. Native is needed to learn to accept themselves as they are, then move forward, gaining in confidence and self-esteem at every step. So this is the impact of the missing numbers. Now, we will see the personal numbers. And the personal number for the native is it is calculated by replacing the year only from the birth date. And current year, running year, is replaced, put there. So native is 15th August 2025. From today, her personal number is 5. And if you see, this is a balanced number. So here we see the effect of the personal number. Year of success and financial stability, increase in friend circle, good for business and businessmen, traveling and going to abroad on business for employment. This door is strongly typed. Partnership business for these employed in media and communication or doing related business, communication or doing related business for writers, poets, actors, entertainers, radio artists, and journalists for appearing competitions and taking risks. Here to be conscious, cautious while traveling. Overall, the year is memorable. So these are the effect of the persona. Lastly, what Dasa she is undergoing. If she is staying at Mumbai, 9 number is again appearing for her. But since it is not available the data, we could not discuss more about it. Native is running the Mahadasa of Moon. This is calculated and this will end on 19th February 2025. Presently, Antardasa of Moon Mercury is going on and which will end on 11th October 2025. With this, the first part of the presentation comes to an end. Now we have landed to the second part. Days auspiciousness as per numerology. 5 number, the driver is 6 today and conductor is 5. 5 number happens 5 number happens to be the best number, middle number, which balances all the numbers. It does not have enmity with any number. So all the people born on various dates of the months, right from 1 to 31st, they should enjoy the day as a day of excellence, a day of success. Few numbers are very much friendly to 5 number. Few numbers are trained to 5 numbers, and only one number, that is 9, is neutral to the 5. But it does not have any inimical relationship with this number. So 5 number is highly friendly with 4 and 8 prime number. So people born on 4, 13, 22nd, 31st, 8, 17, 26, they can enjoy the day more because the relationship between 5 and these numbers are fast friend. People having prime number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. The relationship between these numbers and 5 number is a friend. So the day will be successful for this person also. And the 9 number and with 5 number, neutral relationship. So successful will be there. And it is very good for banking. With this, the presentation comes to an end. Thank you for watching it. Contents of the presentation have been taken from various books, journals which I have gone through. Dates, images, birth data, images, all and picture with sound have been taken from Google. And this presentation reaches to you through YouTube. So if you are not new to the presentation, new to our channel, please subscribe the channel, press the notification icon so that you can get the notification of our all the posts. And share this presentation with your friends, colleagues, relatives, and well-wishers so that they can also take the advantage of the post, learn the numerology, and each house, each family is having uh, the, each family, each house, each family has at least one numerologist who can identify the basic problem and take the remedial measures. So let us take it to your friends, colleagues, relatives, and well-wishers. So with this, the presentation comes to an end. And before I conclude, Happy Independence Day to you all. Happy birthday to Rakhi. Thank you.